Hello everyone. This is the continued part of chapter 1 rational number class 8. So theory part we all done in the previous videos. So today I am going to teach you the example problems which is given in NCERT textbook. So we'll go one by one. Let's begin. The first question is, the first example problem is find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. Here first what you need to do is first consider the given problem. Solution. Let us find out the solution of this problem. Now consider 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. So the second step what you have to do is take the LCM of 7, 11, 21 and 22. So take LCM of 7, 11, 21, 22. Now how to find out the LCM of this? Consider all the number. Now try to solve this. 7 ones are 7. Then think any other number can divide. How to find the LCM of these numbers? Consider 7. You can divide 7 by 1. Then 11 write as it is. Then 21 can be divided by 7. So consider 7 3s are 21. Then 22 you cannot divide, write as it is. So here if you observe these two number, you can divide these two number by 11. So write 1 as it is, 11 ones are 11, 3 write as it is, 11 twos are 22. Then these are the two different number, so we have to consider 3. So 3 ones are 3, then 2 write as it is, then consider 2 here, then until you get 1 you have to keep divide this number. So take the LCM, that is 7 into 11 into 3 into 2. So 11 sevens are 77, 77 into 3, check it what you will get. 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, then 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23. Now multiply 2 to this number. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4. So 462 is the LCM of this 7, 11, 21 and 22. Now write the LCM what you had find out. Now write this. So how to write this one? Consider the first number and multiply 462, I mean LCM. So how to come to know that which number we have to multiply to 3 to get the number of that? So now try to cancel this number by 7. 7 ones are 7 6 are 42, then you will get 42 means 46 minus 42 is 4, then again 7 6 are 42, so 66 into 3. So you have to consider in this way. So what you will get here? 3 6 are 18, 1, then 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. So 198 you have to write it in the first column. So in this way you can write for minus 6 by 11 into 462. Again 11 ones are 11 fours are 11 twos are. So 42 into minus 6. Then same thing you can write it for minus 8 by 21 into 462. Try to divide this number. 21 twos are. So we'll get is 42. 42, then 4 is left, again 42 is there, 2s are. 22 into 8. So this is how you have to consider the number in the numerator. Denominator, as we know that as we have taken the LCM, it will be same, that is 462 to for all the number. Then consider 5 by 2. 5 by 22 into 462. Now try to solve this one. 22 2s are 22 ones are 21, 22 2s are 44, then 2 is left, 22 ones are. So 21 into 5 you have to do. So let's see how to write these numbers. So the first number you will get is 198 divided by the LCM, that is 462. See, for 3 by 7 you have to write 198 by 462. As I told you, you have to consider 3 by 7 into 462. You have to cancel this LCM by 7. So whichever the number you will get in the numerator, you have to multiply that number with the numerator. Okay. So in the same way, write for minus 6 by 11. Consider plus here, that is 252 by 462, plus write for minus 8 by 21, that is minus 176 divided by 462. Write for last digit, that is 105 divided by 462. Now write all this by multiplying the sign, that is 198 divided by 462, plus into minus, minus 252 divided by 462, plus into minus, minus 176 by 462. So this as usual plus is there, consider directly, that is 462. So now try to solve this one. As denominator is same in all, so consider directly, that is 462. Consider plus 198 minus 252 minus 176 plus 105. So how to solve this one? Either you can add these two and subtract this one, or directly you can subtract and then add this one. So I will solve in this way, that is I will add 198 and 105. Check it out what you will get. 198 and 105 you will get is 8 plus 5 is 3, 13. So 3 right below, then take 1 carry. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 right here and consider 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the positive number we have is 3, minus add these two, 252 plus 176. 2 plus 6 is 8, then 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 right below, 1 take carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 428 divided by 462. Now how to consider this one? Again subtract this one, as we know that 400 is the largest number compared to 303. So find the difference and consider the sign of the biggest number. So do it here. So 428 minus 303. Find the difference of this. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 2 minus 0 is 2, then 4 minus 3 is 1. So 125 divided by 462. So here the largest sign has negative, so consider negative here. So this is how you have to solve the given problem. This is the first example which is given in your textbook. Let's move on to the second one. So the next problem you have is find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. So consider the given problem. Minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. So here you need to observe one thing, all the operation what they given is multiplication, so that you can multiply these two and these two, and again you can multiply these two, or you can multiply these two with however you want you can do it. So first I will consider first two terms, then I will consider next two terms, then I will multiply those two. Now directly multiply, that is here there is a minus sign and here there is a plus sign. Multiply sign also. As we know that here you need to remember one thing is multiplication of signs, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. See here, if it is same sign multiplied, you will get plus only. So it is easy to remember, children. So see here we have same sign, here also we have same sign. So the answer will be plus. See here we have a 1 plus 1 minus, here also 1 plus 1 minus. So you will get is minus. So you, in this way you can remember easily. Now try to solve this one. So minus into plus minus 4 into 3, 4 3 is a 12 divided by 5 3 is 5 into 7 is nothing but 7 5 is a 35. Write into. So again multiply 15 into 14. So here 1 minus is there and 1 plus is there. Write plus into minus minus. So multiply 15 into 14. What you will get? 4 5 is 20. 2 0 right below. Consider 2. Carry, that is 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 5 is a 5, then 1. So 0 6 plus 5 is 11, then 1 right below, 1 consider as a carry 2. So 210 is the answer. So when you multiply 15 and 14 you will get 210 divided by 16 into 9. What you will get? 16 into 9. 16 into 9, 9 5 is a 45, 9 6 is a 54, 4 you write below, consider 5 as a carry, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So 144 is the answer. So before multiplying, let us try to cancel this one here only. As we know that these two will get cancelled by the same number, that is 12. See 12 ones are 12, 12s are 144, that is square number. As we know that the square number of 12 is 144. Then try to solve 35. You can go from the lowest number only. So 5 7s are 35, then 5 4s are 20, then 5 2s are 10. 7 1s are 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. So here there is a negative sign. Here 12 is there. You can cancel 6 1s are 6 12s are. Sorry, 6 2s are. So here you have 1, here also you have 1, here also you have 1, and here you have 2. So consider minus 1 by 1 into minus 1 by 2. So we know that minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. This is how you have to solve this problem. You can consider, you can multiply this with this, this with this, or you can multiply this with this, negative and positive, then multiply, nothing will happen. So when there is a multiplication sign, you can consider any of the terms to multiply. There will be no change in the answer. But steps you have to do it properly. So this is the second example problem which is given in your textbook. Let's move on to the third problem. So this is the third example which is given in your textbook. So what is the question? Write the additive inverse of the following. As we know that, what is additive inverse? As I told you, when you add 0 to any number, you will get that number only. But how to find out the additive inverse of this? So a plus inverse of that is nothing but negative a. So what you will get here? As we know that the bracket means multiply. So plus into minus is minus a. A minus a is 0. I mean plus a minus a equals 0. So we have to consider additive inverse in such a way that it should cancel the given number. If they given in positive, you consider in negative. If they given in negative, you have to consider in positive. This is how we can find out the additive inverse of the given number. So when we add those two numbers, we should get 0. Clear? Let's find out the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. So here already they given in negative sign. What we have to do? We have to consider plus 7 by 19. So as we know that denominator is same, add numerator, that is minus 7 plus 7 by 19. So minus 7 plus 7 you will get is 0, 0 by anything will get 0 only. This is how you need to find out. See the second one, they given in positive, that is plus 21 by 112. So think once what you can do here. So when they given in negative, you considered as positive. So now they given in the positive. How you can solve this one? By considering in negative, that is you have to add negative 21 by 112. So add this one, what you will get? 21 by 112 minus 21 by 112. As we know that denominator is same, add numerator, that is 21 minus 21 by 112. So plus 21 minus 21 you will get 0 by 112. So the answer will be 0 only. So here in this problem, plus 7 by 19 is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. In this problem, minus 21 by 112 is the additive inverse of plus 21 by 112. Very simple technique is, when they given in negative, you consider in positive. When they given in positive, you consider in negative. That's it. This is how we are going to find out the additive inverse. Let's move on to the next problem. See, the fourth question is, verify that minus into minus x is same as x. Okay, here what we have to do? First they will give the value of x. So then you have to multiply minus x to that. Then after that you have to again multiply minus of minus to minus x. So let us see, consider already they given that is x equals 13 by 7. Now multiply minus to x, means if x is 13 by 7, when you multiply minus to x, you have to multiply minus to 13 by 7 also. So now the value become minus 13 by 17. In the next step what we have to do? There they asked minus of minus x. So again multiply minus to this value. What you will get? Minus of minus 13 by 7. So as we know that the bracket is nothing but multiplication. So minus into plus, minus plus 13 by 7. See, even after multiplying minus twice, okay, you will get 13 by 7. So this value is equal to what? In the beginning what we consider? The value of x. Means what? Minus of minus x is equal to the value of x. Step by step you have to do, then you will get the answer. Now try to solve the B1. Already x they given, that is minus 21 by 31. Now in the first step you have to multiply minus to x. Here also multiply. So already minus 21 by 31 is the problem what they given. Okay. Now minus into minus plus, plus 21 by 31. In the next step what we have to do? Again multiply minus to minus x. So here also you have to multiply to plus 21 by 31. So as we know that minus into plus is minus 21 by 31. See, this value is equal to what? X. That is what they given here. So minus of minus x will be equal to x. This is how you have to verify the given problem. Now let's move on to the fifth one. So the fifth example is, find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 into minus 1 by 14 minus of 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. This is minus. So consider the given problem, that is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now multiply these two and multiply these two. Check anything can we cancel in this? Nothing we can cancel here. So multiply. So plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6 divided by 7 into 5, 35. Write minus 1 by 14 as it is. Minus, multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 7 5s are 35. Now take the LCM of all the three. What you will get? As I told you how to find out the LCM, consider all the number 35, 14, 35. So consider the number which can divide all or any two. So I will consider 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Then consider 5. 5 1s are 5, 2 write as it is, 5 1s are 5. Then again consider 2, 1 1 1. So the LCM is 7 into 5 into 2. 7 5s are 35, 35 into 2, 70. So 70 is your LCM. Now as I told you how to consider the given number, that is minus 6 by 35 into 70 means 35 ones are 35 twos are 6 into 2 12, right? So in that way you have to consider. In the previous problem I have told you this one. So 6 into 2 is 12, 6 twos are 12 divided by 35 minus, so 14 5s are, so it will come 5 into 1 is nothing but 5 by 14, sorry 35, sorry 70 you have to consider. Here we have taken LCM now, you have to consider the 70. Then 35 is nothing but again 35 ones are 35 twos are 70, so 2 into 9 is 9 twos are 18, so 18 by 70. Now denominator is same, write numerator. So minus 12 minus 5 minus 18 whole divided by 70. As all the numbers are negative, add it up. So 12 plus 18 is 20 plus 30, 35. So minus 35 by 70. Here you can keep as it is, or further think whether you can cancel those two number or not. See, here we can cancel the number, that is 35 ones are 35 twos are. So the answer will be minus 1 by 2. So this is how you have to solve the given problem. What we did here, first we multiplied these two, then here also there is a multiplication sign, we multiplied, then we got these three number. Take LCM of 35, 14 and 35. So the LCM of these three number is 70. So I have already taught you how to consider the numerator. Just consider 6 by 35 into 70. So try to cancel 70 by the denominator. So whichever the number you will get after cancelling, that number you have to multiply to 6. Then you will get this number. I hope this is clear for you. So the next problem is write any three rational number between minus 2 and 0. So how to solve this one? Consider the given number, that is minus 2 and 0. So minus 2 we can write it as multiply 10 to both the numerator and denominator, as well as multiply 10 to both numerator and denominator. As we know that if no number exists in the denominator, it means 1 is there. So minus 2 into 10 is minus 20 divided by 10, and 0 into 10 is obviously 0. So 1 into 10 is 10. So as we know that in the number line, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, right? So here we have n number of uh, numbers, isn't it? So that is minus 20 by 10, and here you consider 0 by 10. So how we can write? See, before minus, you should not consider on the negative part, you should not consider minus 21. Okay, you have to consider the below number, that is minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10. So like that you can write 16, 15, 14, 13 till you get 1 minus 1 by 10. Any number you can consider in between this. So this is how you have to write rational number between minus 2 and 0. Now let's move on to the next problem. So the next problem is find any 10 rational number between minus 5 by 6 and plus 5 by 8. Now consider the given problem. Minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Now see the denominator. See, when we are finding out the rational number between any two number, the denominator should be same. So now the first thing we have to do is we have to make the denominator same. How to do it? Now consider 5 by 6 multiply the another denominator into both numerator and denominator. Here also consider 5 by 8 and consider 6 and multiply both numerator and denominator. Now multiply it. So minus into plus minus, 8 5 is a 40 divided by 8 6 is a 48, and here 6 5 is a 30 divided by 48. So see, in the number line 46 by 48, here if you consider 30 by 48, you have plenty of number. In that any 10 you consider. For example, you can write see, while writing from the negative number, you have to consider the lowest value of the 40. So 40 means minus 39 by 48, minus 35 by 48, then minus 30 by 48, then 0 you can consider, then 1 by 48 you can consider, 2 by 48 you can till 30 you can consider any of the number, 5 by 48. Here also you can consider 30, 35, 30, 30, 28, minus 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by 48, like so on. You can consider any 10 rational number between minus 40 by 48 and 30 by 48. In this you have to remember only one thing is how to make the denominator same. How to make it? Now consider the first term, consider the another term denominator, multiply to both numerator and denominator. So when you do this you will get same denominator, so that you can calculate the rational numbers between the given two rational number. Now let's move on to the 8th problem. This problem already we did it in previous video while learning about the multiplicative inverse. Now let us find out the rational number between this. Now consider 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. How many terms they given? Divided by 2. So now find out the LCM of this. So LCM of this is 8. As I told you how to find out the LCM, 4 by 2. So 2 2s are 2 1s are, then 2 1s are. So 2 into 2 you will get is 4. So consider the LCM of 4 and 2, that is 4 comma 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now consider 4. So here uh, already I have taught you how to consider 1 by 4 into LCM. 4 1s are 4 1s are. 1 into 1 is 1 plus. Consider 1 by 2 into 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 2. So this is 3 by 4. So divided by 2 you can write it as 1 by 2. So 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. This is how you can solve the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. This is one method. There is another method, like considering the denominator of one number and multiplying to another one, and considering this denominator and multiplying to this one. This is another method. You can solve solve this problem in this method also and other method also. Now let's move on to the ninth problem. So the example problem you have in the textbook is only 8. So I hope you understood what I taught you today. So in the next class we will be learning the problems of exercise 1.1 and 1.2. I hope you understood all the problem. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will always be there for you to help. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share to all your siblings. I know that you cannot share it to your family, so you have to share to other siblings, classmates. Thank you so much.